How to cancel your Visible account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your Visible account on your Visible application. Then from here, simply tap on profile icon right here, simply tap on account. Here you'll be able to see payment, tap on that one and make sure to toggle that auto pay off. So after toggling that off, now it won't get renewed automatically. So what you're going to do is simply again get to your profile right here and then tap on the option port out, and after doing that, request your PIN via email. So after requesting your PIN, that's all you need to do. Now allow your billing cycle to end and the account closes after non-payment. So once the billing cycle ends and you no longer pay them anymore since your auto payment has been turned off, now your account will automatically get cancelled or you automatically get deleted. So yeah, that's all you need to do. And remember that port out PIN and of course your account number in order to activate your SIM somewhere else. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.